This dance is called L'amour Boogie. It's a 32 count, 2 more beginner level line dance. Starting on the right foot, we're going into a chassé to the right. 1 and 2 count timing steps, side, close, side. Rock back on the left, recover your weight on the right. Into a couple of toe struts, you're going to be travelling to the left whilst facing the front. So we're going to do a side strut to start with. So we're going to step the left toe to the side, lower the heel. So that is your toe strut. The toe goes down first, followed by the heel. It's a seamless movement. Your toe doesn't come back off the floor until you do the next step with that foot. So it's toe, strut. You're going to do another toe strut with the right, but you're going to cross the right over the left. So I'm going to cross the right over, step the toe down, then lower the heel. So that's my cross strut. Now when you do these cross struts, don't completely cross your leg over, because if you do that, you're going to have trouble getting your left foot out to do the next set of steps. So you're going to cross, but it's going to be slightly in front so I can easily get my left foot out. So it's 2 toe struts. So let's add that little set of steps together. Chassé to the right, right foot leading. 7, 8. Right chassé, back, rock, side, strut, cross, strut. We're going to repeat those steps, but we're going to start with the left foot. So a chassé to the left, again 1 and 2 count timing steps, side, close, side. Rock back on the right, recover your weight on the left. Into those toe struts. So my right toe is stepping to the side, lower the heel. Cross the left over the right, step the toe down, lower the heel. Side strut, cross strut. That set of steps once more then. Chassé to the left, left foot leading. 7, 8. Left chassé, back, rock, side, strut, cross, strut. Let's add those 2 sections together. Right chassé, off on the right. 7, 8. Right chassé, back, rock, side, strut, cross, strut. Left chassé, back, rock, side, strut, cross, strut. Turn a quarter left as you step back on that right. And when you do this turn, make sure you have completely turned your body. It will mean that your left foot moves slightly when you do that movement. It's absolutely fine. Don't have any twists in your body. Step the left to the side, cross the right over the left, hold. Step back on the left, step back on the right, cross the left over the right, hold. So that set of steps once more then. Making that quarter turn left to start with as you step back on that right. So right foot leading. 7, 8. Turn, side, cross, hold, back, back, cross, hold. Let's add that to the top. Right chassé, off on the right. 7, 8. Right chassé, back, rock, side, strut, cross, strut. Left chassé, back, rock, side, strut, cross, strut. Turn, side, cross, hold, back, back, cross, cross, hold. Another couple of toe struts. So the first one, we're going to travel backwards. So you're going to touch your right toe back, lower the heel. So again, that seamless transition between the toe and the heel. Then you're going to make a quarter turn to the left. So I'm going to turn a quarter left, step down on my left toe, lower the heel. And make sure you have actually turned your body again. And just to finish the dance, I'm going to add on a rocking chair. So I'm going to rock forward on my right, recover the weight back on the left, move the right back as I rock back on the right, recover the weight on the left. That's my rocking chair. Rocking forward, rocking back. Always make sure the weight recovers back on the pivot foot, which in this case is the left. So that set of steps once more then. Into those toe struts, back strut, then the turning one. Off on that right. 7, 8, back, strut, turn, strut, rocking chair. End of dance, ready to start again with your chassé to the right. So let's put it all together. Chassé to the right, right foot leading. 7, 8, right chassé, back, rock, side, strut, cross, strut. Left chassé, back, rock, side, strut, cross, strut. Turn, side, cross, hold, back, back, cross, hold. Back, strut, turn, strut, rocking chair. So that is your dance. Apart from the chassés, no other and counts in this dance. But it is a two-wall dance. So let's have a go at the back wall. And we'll keep going when we get back to the front, so you can see how the walls join together. But I'm also going to speed it up a bit when we get to the front wall, so that it's a closer match to the speed of the music. Chassé to the right, right foot leads. 7, 8, right chassé, back, rock, side, strut, cross, strut. Left chassé, back, rock, side, strut, cross, strut. Turn, side, cross, hold, back, back, cross, hold, back, strut, turn, strut, rocking chair. Right chassé, back, rock, side, strut, cross, strut. Left chassé, back, rock, side, strut, cross, strut. Turn, side, cross, back, back, cross, back, strut, turn, strut, rocking chair. Hopefully you managed to follow that, especially as I missed out those holds as well in that last wall. So that is your dance, that's your walkthrough. Let's give it a go to the music. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right chassé, back, rock, side, strut, cross, strut. Left chassé, back, rock, side, strut, cross, strut. Turn, side, cross, back, back, cross, back, strut, turn, strut, rocking chair. Right chassé, back, rock, side, strut, cross, strut. Left chassé, back, rock, side, strut, cross, strut. Turn, side, cross, back, back, cross, back, strut, turn, strut, rocking chair. Right chassé, back, rock, side, strut, cross, strut. Left chassé, back, rock, side, strut, cross, strut. Turn, side, cross, back, back, cross, back, strut, turn, strut, rocking chair. Right chassé, back, rock, side, strut, cross, strut. Left chassé, back, rock, side, strut, cross, strut. Turn, side, cross, back, back, cross, back, strut, turn, strut, rocking chair. Chassé. Chassé. turn, back strut, chassé, chassé, turn, back strut, chassé, chassé, turn, back strut, chassé, chassé, turn, back strut. Hope you managed that well.